Hi, I'm Peter Gordon from New York Financial Organizers. We're daily money managers, and most people don't know what daily money managers are. We don't day trade. We don't manage money. We do the all the non-investment side of personal finance. So most of our clients are seniors, and help them pay their bills, deal with their insurance, manage budgets, and actually help them organize their life's daily demands. So I want to talk about a new client that we were working with that had an interesting case. So they were renting an apartment and were getting on in years in their 80s and made a decision to go to a assisted living. And they were actually ready to move. And we got called in because they really didn't know where their money was coming from. Now, they knew they had a good source of income, but they needed to find out exactly how much was coming in and where it was coming from, and then figure out really if they could afford their new home at assisted living. So it seems like it's kind of backwards, but it's not unusual. And we're often referred by trusted advisors of people. So that was the case here. An attorney came to us, so they had been telling them about referring us, but it took a while till it finally happened. So what we did is we had a nice conversation on the phone, and we got their trust. And the process is pretty straightforward, pretty much for most of our clients, where what we do is we get the access to their checking accounts and their banking, their credit card accounts, and then we flow all that into Quicken, and then we categorize it. So we're now in September, and we took all the information from January to August and read into Quicken, categorized everything, and we saw a couple of interesting things. First of all, they were using a credit card that was attached to a cash management account, and they didn't quite understand that. They also had a line of credit with their bank, which they owed a couple of $1,000s to, which they were really upset about because they didn't realize they were doing that. And there were times where they would be overdrafting, and that would be taken care of by the line of credit. And then finally, we were able to categorize all their income that they were receiving every month, which was substantial in pensions and 401k distributions. And we were able to run that through and do a report, which we call an income and expense report, and see that, yes, at the end of the month, they did have a substantial surplus, and gave them the exact numbers. And they were then able to move with a peace of mind to know that they were going to be able to pay their bills and live comfortably for as long as they could live. So if that rings a bell for you, maybe for parents or other family members, and it's not unusual, we do this for people who are not elderly because they just don't know where their money's going or how much they have, why don't you give me a call? My information is on the screen, and I would love to talk to you and be happy to answer any questions we have. So again, my name is Peter Gordon from New York Financial Organizers, and I look forward to seeing you at my next video.